Okay, for this edition of the Drunken Upholsterer, we're going to talk about some of the coverings for the cushions that we use, and mostly it's Dacron. And there's several different thicknesses. That's good. There's several different thicknesses. You can see this one is basically like a quarter of an inch, and this one is more like an inch itself, and this one is like 30 inches wide. And this one's like 60 inches wide. And there's advantages to both. That one makes it easy to handle. These are kind of hard to handle. But the advantage is one piece. I can put a piece of foam here, cut it off, and it will wrap the entire piece of foam, which is nice. That one, it'll do the same, but you run up the roll and then you get a lot of waste on the sides because it's just too wide, or sometimes it's perfect. So there's advantages, and sometimes you need more. You need the thickness to fill it in and to give you more comfort, to crown the cushion better, to make it look kind of like it's down or something nice like that. There's also this kind of Dacron, loose Dacron, which is really good for stuffing corners in the cushions and getting the look right. Some back cushions are filled entirely with this. They're encased in a fabric encasement in cells, and they fill it right up, and they use this to fill the entire back with it. It works good, but it gets packed down in time, and then you try to fluff it up and it never fluffs up right. So you got to bring it to me and I fill it back up. Now when you're stuffing the cushion in, I know I've mentioned on other videos about Cushionees or Slippies, and this is it. It comes on this roll. It's 36, and it's great stuff. You just wrap it around around your cushion, right over the Dacron and everything, and I staple it around it so it kind of holds it. You could sew it if you felt like sewing it. It works marvels. It just slides right in there. I've had leather cushions that, it's very hard to get foam and Dacron, covered foam, to move in them. And you put this on it and it slides right in. It's beautiful. A lot of times the older chairs have spring units for cushions wrapped in cotton. And if you don't have a machine to crush it and you can pump it into the fabric, you can use this. Just wrap this stuff around it, staple it together, and then work the cushion right over it. And this stuff really, really works well. And that's about it. So hope you're enjoying this little ditty about coverings. And if you like us, and certainly subscribe. And we enjoy comments, and we'd like you to follow us. So enjoy it, and have a great day, and have a great beer. Time for another.